So guys, back in 2024 we got this pin and the arm shift. We have installed it in a bike. Once again, this video is in day just to share a quick update how the gear is smooth. Let me show it to you closely. This fitting is Allen key, so not aftermarket. Many people have copied it, so I'll share once again how the gear shifts. Go. So this is neutral right now. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, fourth, third, second, neutral. First, neutral, second, third, fourth, fifth.